To set up MetaTrader 5 with Exness, start by downloading the MetaTrader 5 platform from the official MetaQuotes website or directly from Exness. Once the download is complete, run the installation file and follow the prompts to install the platform on your computer. After installation, launch MetaTrader 5 and click on File, then open an account to begin the account opening process. You will be prompted to select a broker. Choose Exness from the list of available brokers. If Exness is not listed, you can manually add the server by clicking on Add New Broker and entering the Exness server details. Next, you will need to create a new trading account or use an existing one. If you are a new user, you can create a demo account to practice trading with virtual funds. If you already have a live account with Exness, you can log in using your account credentials. Once you have logged in, you will see the MetaTrader 5 interface, which consists of several sections including the Market Watch, Navigator, and Terminal. The Market Watch section displays a list of available financial instruments. The Navigator section displays a list of your accounts and trading history. And the Terminal section displays your open trades and account balance. To start trading, select a financial instrument from the Market Watch section and click on the New Order button to open a new trade. You can then set your desired trade parameters including the volume, stop loss, and take profit. It is essential to familiarize yourself with the MetaTrader 5 platform and its features, including technical indicators, expert advisors, and backtesting. Exness also offers additional tools and resources, including trading signals, market analysis, and educational materials, to ensure a smooth trading experience. Make sure your computer meets the system requirements for MetaTrader 5 and that you have a stable internet connection. It is also crucial to keep your platform and operating system up to date to avoid any technical issues. By following these steps and practicing with a demo account, you can effectively set up MetaTrader 5 with Exness and start trading with confidence. Remember to always manage your risk and trade responsibly.